So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and I am Ankit, and I'm going to talk about my entire journey from where I used to live, that is Chhattisgarh, and then I shifted to, that is Bangalore. So I'm going to discuss on several topics in this video, which is talking about myself, who am I, and from where I belong to, which college I passed, and then how I moved to Bangalore. I'm going to talk about uh, the entire journey of coming to Bangalore. So, also, I'm going to talk about what I am actually doing here. I'm going to talk about two different things which I'm currently pursuing right now, and then I will be going to talk about the different kind of problems which I am facing, or let's say you can say that which I have faced in the um, beginning when I just arrived in the Bangalore. So okay, let's start with the introduction part, which is who who am I? So myself Kumar Ankit Singh, and I belong to Chhattisgarh. I live in Bilaspur district or Bilaspur city in Chhattisgarh, and well, I have graduated from KIIT University, and it this university is in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and I completed my entire BTech journey in the KIIT, but during the COVID time. So what happens was, most of the time I was in home. It I have given my exams, I have done my preparation, also preparation for everything like related to college as well as for the job interview. I have done mostly in my home, and then I got, obviously, I will not name any company, but I gave several interviews like any other candidate, and then fortunately, I just cracked one interview, and that is where uh, my journey of Bangalore came into existence. So what happens was, uh, it was not a very high salaried job. So basically what happens is, depending on your salary structure, you have to, the um, toughness of the assessment or the entire interview uh, journey becomes tougher. So my job package was a very basic salary structure. So my even hence my uh, the entire journey of interview process was also very basic, not a very tough one. So I think there were two assessments and then one interview, and that's it. That's all what it takes to for me to crack the interview. So yeah, that was the overall introduction part. Now, what am I actually doing here in Bangalore um, is basically two things. So first thing is job actually. So in job part, right now it is work from home. My training is going on, and after a month, my work from office will start, and I don't know whether it will be a hybrid kind of work from office or a complete work from office. So uh, that will um, that will be, I will going to witness in the near future. Right now I'm not aware of it. And the second thing which I'm doing right now uh, is MBA preparation. So MBA preparation, which means that I'm doing the preparation of CAT, MAT, ZAT, SNAP, and all the different kind of exams related to MBA. So these are the two things which I am currently doing and pursuing, and so basically talking about these two things um, in depth, I'm going to say that in job, basically I am uh, working in a consulting company as a data analyst, uh, job profile. So in that, basically you have to learn three things as a trainee right now, which I'm going through right now. So that is Python, SQL, and Excel. And for MBA, you have to learn again four things, which is maths, language, that is English, and then logical reasoning, and then data integration. So these are the four things which you have to learn for MBA preparation. So these were the things which I'm pursuing right now, and the problems which I have faced after coming to Bangalore or after reaching to Bangalore is again two things. First is the the high cost of living, and actually I have worked earlier in Gurgaon as well. So that time I was in college, and I was not passed through like past college life. I have not got my degree. So that time I thought that Gurgaon is very costly, but then the moment I shifted to Bangalore, I realized that Bangalore is much more expensive than Gurgaon. So in Gurgaon, my PG expense, like the cost, the entire room which I where I lived costed me 10,500 rupees per month, and then 2,000 rupees for electricity. So like, and for eating you can say 3,000 is max for a month. So in 15 to 16 or 17,000 is max you can actually live in Gurgaon. But after reaching to Bangalore, I realized that is nothing, because one room of Bangalore costs near to 20 to 24,000. So obviously you can't afford as a fresher. So I am sharing right now my room with one person. Till now, I have not received my roommate, but definitely in the next month I am going to get one roommate. So I will be sharing this room with my roommate, and obviously the rent will be also shared. So 24,000 for one room is nearly or maybe more than double of Gurgaon what I used to give. So the cost of living is very high. The second is the availability issue. That is, even for this much cost, there is a huge uh, crisis for the rooms in Bangalore. And that is why the prices are so high. So basically, even let's say I am paying 12,000 or 13,000, there are rooms which are also costing 15,000 per person, 20,000 per person. It is so costly, but then people are there to pay that amount of rent. So definitely there will be no like PG owners will definitely not find a crisis in finding the renters. So obviously they will not reduce the price. They are okay with it because the renters are okay with it. So these are the two problems which I have faced. So right now, these were the things which I wanted to talk about, because most of the people who are coming to Bangalore, they have so much of things, they they might not be very well aware of, and hence they are not planned to do something, and then they will be suddenly surprised after reaching to Bangalore. So I will say that you have to be prepared before reaching to Bangalore itself. You have to make sure that there are rooms which you, before coming, um, you have to like book a room for yourself before reaching here, uh, because there are a lot of apps which you can use for finding PGs and flats for yourself. And then depending on the kind of rooms which you want, depending on the budget you have, or the kind of environment you want, or the kind of distance which you, obviously you want your PG or your flat to be as near as possible to your office, or for whatever reasons you are coming, let's say coaching classes or whatever, you want your PG or flats as near as possible to your respective office or your coaching classes. So I just want you to make sure that you are very much plan things before reaching to Bangalore, and you are well aware of everything. Like, at least you can talk to your friends, family members who are living here, so you can have a certain idea. So these were the few things which I wanted to talk about and which I wanted to share. Obviously I'm going to share more and more things after my work from office will start, because this is the first time which I will be, associated with a corporate world after, like, for the first time in Bangalore. So it will be my very first experience, and that is why I will be going to share about my journey, so that other people will also find it helpful in their own journey. Um, so yes, that's it. Let's end this video here. And if you find like any confusion, or if you want to ask something which is going in your mind, there are a lot of things which goes across your mind. So definitely you can ask me in the comment section. So let's have a conversation without any shyness, or having something in your mind but you are not able to speak. Don't hesitate, just speak to your mind and ask any question which is coming in your mind. So that's it. You can like this video, and you can ask your questions or share your opinions in the comment section. And you can subscribe my channel as well. It will help me in boosting my channel. So let's end this video here, and I will going to share my future journey in this channel itself. Thank you so much for watching.